Well, we came home yesterday to new culverts at the entrance to our driveway. And they continue on out the road. They put a culvert across the road out here, leading down to a low spot on the other side. Hopefully this will keep the water from piling up so much like it has right here and creating a real big pond of water. So he cut it out through our property here in order for it to drain naturally away and not have as big a mud puddle in the middle of the road. Quite a big change and big operation here, and that's probably has been the result of the years that they just pushed dirt to the side when they created this drive a long time back. All right, we'll see you on the other side.